Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst you're hitting the subscribe button, do please make sure you hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now with all that being said, let's go with today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I believe to be one of the most comfortable shoes you will ever want or need. So basically what happened was I was contacted by the lovely team from Empress, and they asked me if I would be interested in kind of reviewing and having a look at one of their shoes that they have on their website. So this shoe is the square toe flat shoe. Now I went onto the website and I had a little look, and in all honesty I thought, you know what, they're a lovely pair of shoes, really classic shape, you know, lovely shoe. However, because of my current lifestyle, I work from home a lot of the time, I'd say probably 80% of the time, and I'm really not out and about as much as I used to be. So I thought, as lovely as the shoes are, I don't necessarily want just to take them and not get any use out of them. So I thought, you know what, I'll pass. But then I thought to myself, my daughter actually works in hospitality, so I thought I'll ask them if they would be happy to send the shoe and do the review on the basis of her using them. And they were more than happy to do that, so I was very, very grateful, as was my daughter. So thank you so much, Empress, for that. So these shoes I will show you now. I will do some cutaways, so I will show them on and styled as well. So these are the shoe. So as you can see, they are a really simple square toe black flat shoe. So you know the title of the shoe or the description of the shoe is you know, it's on the nail, and it has a little elasticated strap here, so I think that's really good for comfort. And I'm assuming, if depending on how narrow your foot is, you can actually adjust that, because it's got it looks like it's just tied there. I'm assuming it's not that easy to unravel, but again, just a simplicity of it, as you can see. And then, as I say, the toe, it looks like it's got a rubber sole, got quite a decent grip on it as well. So as I say, the leather in here is super soft, really soft and flexible, easy to manoeuvre. Oh, that's not really great, is it, Anthea? But as you can see, really, just really soft. So it's not going to, you know, again, it's not going to hurt your toes. It's not a hard kind of foot casing around the top here. So I've styled these. As I say, my daughter wears these for work, or will be wearing these for work. She hasn't worn them kind of frequently for work, because I've wanted her to kind of keep them looking pretty pristine for this video. So she has worn them a couple of times, and from what she's told me, they are really comfortable, a great asset for work. I picked these up in a UK size 5. They fit quite snug, I'm not gonna lie. I think she said that ideally if she could have gone up half a size, probably would have been a little bit better for her, but I don't believe that she was able to. I think if she went up a whole size, that would be too big, and I feel like because of the leather and how soft it is, I think if she'd have gone up a whole size, they would have been too big. And I do think if she does wear them, I think they will soften up, and even though she's saying potentially half a size, I think they're made that way, so therefore that they are moulded to the foot. So yeah, I think they are a great pair of shoes if you are after something that's really simple, be it for work, be it for just kind of you know, day-to-day errands. If you are someone who is just busy in general and is up and down, then I think these would be a great shoe for you to try and have a look at. I will leave a link to the website in the description box below, so if you are interested, you can go and check out further details on there, just kind of how the shoe is made up, the business ethos, all that kind of thing. And they, you know, I suppose if there is any additional questions that I can't answer, you may be able to find them out on the website as well. So I think that is everything I wanted to cover in this video. Nice short sweet one for me, because I know my videos can tend to you know, go on and on for a while. So this was a short one for me. It feels a bit weird actually because it is so short. But you know what can I do? What can I do? But yeah, thank you so much to Empress for sending these out to me. I really do appreciate it. And as I said, I do know that my daughter also appreciates it as well, because she's got a lovely, soft, comfortable pair of shoes for her, you know, day-to-day work. Because she has, in all fairness, actually, she has been wanting to get a new pair of shoes just specifically for work. So it was a perfect kind of meetings of said minds when Empress reached out to me. So again, thank you so much to the Empress team. I will leave it here. I will also leave a couple of my previous videos, if you've missed those most recent ones, at the end of here, so you can just click. They'll be either here or here, I'm not sure. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do make sure you give this a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and if you made it to the end of the video and you're not subscribed, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. I do aim to put a video up at least once a week. Work's just been really busy for me at the moment, so I've kind of had to push videos. So this video was a little bit later on in, you know, than what I wanted. So I appreciate your patience as well, Empress, for me getting out this video. Thank you. But going forward, I'm trying to get myself a little bit more organised so I can stay consistent. So if you did enjoy the video, and this is what I mean, I'm waffling now, I'm just waffling, but if you did enjoy the video, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to stop now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. See ya.